Yeah, this is the warm-up lap for our competitors here at the Pirelli Philippines Scooter Racing event. With Ray R. Suba, John Paul Suba, Kirk Dominguiano, Alvin Valencia, Jolo Suba. He's our 14-year-old competitor. Kenneth Cornell, Timothy Jonathan Rojas, Lee Pino Chang, Kia Gadin, Mac Astornino, Charles Hamoraban, or Hamorabon, should I say? Brian J. Rosario, Nathan Galang, Giancarlo Mauricio, and of course, Vortex Suba, 10 years of age. After this one, we're going to be making way for our Ducati Cup event. Race 1 for the Ducati Cup is coming up after the Pirelli Philippines Scooter Racing event. Or should I say, Jolo is actually 12 years old, not 14. Thanks for letting us know. Wow. Very young. That's how you do it, parents. Start them young. This is 6 laps of competition. You are looking at the action at the Pirelli Philippines Scooter Racing competition. Look at that. Our 12, one of the Suba brothers. One of the Suba family members. Yeah, we have a lot of the Subas actually competing right here. John Paul Suba is now on P1. And our 12-year-old competitor, Jolo Suba, he's on P4. You want to know where Vortex Suba is? Well, he's right there somewhere in the middle of the pack. Well, Vortex is actually 10 years old, competing amongst these expert, intermediate competitors. This is PSR coming at you, the Pirelli Philippines Scooter Racing competition here at Morac, powered by Petron, with Petron XCS, Petron Sprint 4T, Pirelli tires, Dri-Fit Master Republic, JVT, KYT, YSS, and Alpine Stars. Hey, shout out to our viewers on FB Live. We got Mickey Almaral. What's up? Also the Papi Works Paint and Body Works. What up, Papi Works Escanillas? Shout outs also going out to Paula Rotessa. Yeah, rooting for Jola Suba and Vortex Suba. some of our young competitors right here. Also had a Ses Jar Jess. Hope I said that right. Had a hashtag Team IOM and hashtag Isle of Manukan. Instead of Isle of Man, it's Isle of Manukan. That's clever. Also, shout outs going out to our friends from Top Speed Racing Team. Had a Ivan Dumasig, Jerome Corralde, Noel Tamia, LJ Roll, and Jason Diaz of Ad Speed. What's up? Had a Martin Sespeñe. What up, Martin James Sespeñe? Also had a John Rudolph Garcia. Yes, good luck to Corbe and Mazo. They're going to be back in action later on in the afternoon. So all you fans of Mr. Corbe and Mr. Mazo, catch them in action after lunch. We'll have more awesome racing here at the National Motorcycle Championships 2021, presented to you by Petron. Morac, powered by Petron. 4 laps remaining, and we got a purple run by Vrayar Suba. 2 minutes 25.848 on his scooter number 14. Vrayar Suba is our fastest rider in this competition. He's on P2. We got Kirk Dominguiano on P1 right now. Kirk is part of the intermediate class, but number 1 in the experts class is, of course, Vrayar Suba. We got another of the Subas. Jean-Paul Suba is now on P2 for the intermediates. Here goes our competitors in the OEM category, aka the sealed category, with Timothy Jonathan Rojas leading the pack, rider number 89, followed by Lee Pino Chang on 19. Kier Gadin is on P3 right there, rider number 97. But Vortex Suba, our 10-year-old rider, Vortex Suba, is part of that competition right there for the sealed category. And Mac Estornino is also there. Brian J. Rosario, Nathan Galang, and Charles Hamorabon. Shout out to HCRC Bis Lig from Jeray Basanez. Shout outs also going out to the Phase 2 boys. Also to Like Jin Reyes saying hi to RC49. Idol RC49. Very nice. At Lalang Suba. Good luck, says Jerome Corralde. And all the way from Thailand, Sawadee to Like Jin Reyes Portalejo. Sawadee. Thanks for viewing us all the way from Thailand. Hi to Sheng Si and Jem Cercano. I love you. Jem Cercano, I love you, says Sheng Si. That's really sweet. Viewing us right here on FB Live. You're looking at the action of the National Motorcycle Championships 2021, presented to you by Petron. And Jasmine says, let's go, Vortex Suba. Good luck also to John Paul Suba, says Jerome Corralde. Yeah, we got 2 laps remaining over here, and a close battle going on between these boys in the sealed category. Look at them go at it with some team tactics going on. Yep. Some of them making good use of team members to be able to protect the ones that are at the front of the competition. That's why they're having the little convoy going on in there. So far we got Kirk Dominguiano on P1 in the intermediate class. P2 on the intermediate class is John Paul Suba, establishing a purple run today here in this category. 2 minutes 24.068. 2 minutes 24.068 by the one and only John Paul Suba on scooter number 27. Way to go. Let's see how he's going to benefit having that purple time versus the one and only Kirk Dominguiano. They are both in the intermediate class. It's going to be a tight battle between these two for sure. And John Paul's got the upper hand, being able to run a 2:24.068, fastest in this category. Shout out to Mil Lloyd Macanas. Shout out to Homer Sabang and Andrea Sabang. Also to Chester Nix and Lester Justine. Also out to Kirk Tomas Dominguiano. Yeah, to Mark Galintao or Galinato. What up? What up? Out to Pepe Lantok of the Suzuki GSX Philippines team. And to Paul Villena. What up? And we got 1 lap remaining. 1 lap remaining. This is the last lap of the race. Here we go. Here goes Kirk. For sure feeling the pressure. Another purple run by John Paul Suba. 2 minutes 23.759. He's got to be able to do something about this one. Look at them almost alongside each other. Kirk Dominguiano on 20 versus number 27, John Paul Suba. John Paul Suba on a purple run for sure. He's going to make good use of that advantage, but Kirk Dominguiano, of course, on a mission to protect his P1 position in the intermediate class. This is as tight as it gets. They're closing in on the finish. Look at him go at it. Attention riders for the Ducati Cup. Attention competitors for the Ducati Cup. Please get ready. You guys are going to be next. Ducati Cup is coming up. Hey, shout out to B-Boy Tuliao and Natasha Payas. Also to Wina Luzon. Let's see who's going to cross the finish line first versus Kirk and John Paul. A competition, the tight competition between Kirk Dominguiano, number 20, and number 27, John Paul Suba. Here we go! Photo finish! Whoa! Look at that! And Kirk was able to defend his position. John Paul Suba provisionally stays at P2, even though he was able to establish a purple run of 2 minutes 23.585.